Friends, today we're diving into one of the most delicious winter traditions out there, mulled wine. If you've ever walked through a Christmas market, hosted a cozy holiday gathering, or simply curled up with a warm drink on a chilly night, chances are you come across this spiced, soul-warming wonder. And best of all, how can you make it at home? Now, mulled wine has quite a history. Its origins go all the way back to ancient Rome. The Romans would heat the wine and add spices to help preserve it during their long travels and cold winters. As the Roman Empire expanded, so did the popularity of this spiced drink all across Europe. In medieval Europe, mulled wine became a staple for its supposed health benefits. People believed the spices warmed the body and warded off illness during harsh winters. By the time we reached the 1800s, the Victorians in England were enjoying it as a Christmas tradition, which is why mulled wine is often associated with the holidays today. Fun fact, even Charles Dickens mentions mulled wine, or smoking bishop, in his classic novel, A Christmas Carol. It's safe to say that mulled wine has been spreading warmth and cheer for centuries. All right, let's talk about making your own mulled wine. The best part? It's easy, customizable, and it fills your kitchen with amazing aromas. So here's a simple recipe to get you started. Start with a bottle of red wine. Grab something fruity like a Merlot, a Grenache, maybe even a Zinfandel. Any of those will work beautifully. There is absolutely no reason to splurge on expensive wine for this purpose. Slice up some citrus. Orange is traditional, but you can also use a lemon if you've got that on hand. Sweeten it with honey, sugar, maple syrup, or your favorite sweetener. If you'd like a kick, add a small amount of bourbon or brandy. Heat everything gently in a pot. The key is to never boil the wine. You just want it warm enough to let the flavors mingle. We're going to simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Strain out the spices, and voila!
Now, if you don't have those particular spices just laying around your house, I did pick this up here locally. I believe this is a brand that is in most grocery stores. This one is Glögg, a Swedish version. The German version is Glühwein, which means wine that glows. We are getting some simmering. I'm going to test it. I'm going to leave it in just another minute. Turning it down. Now, the wine has been simmering for about 15 to 20 minutes, and the spices and things in there have now steeped in the wine and flavored. So what we need to do now is to strain out the spices. Take this out, and in fact, we could put that back in if we'd like. Then we will pour it into the cup. Oh, can you see the steam? Beautiful. And then we'll take our orange. Now you can garnish it however you like. An orange slice, a cinnamon stick, or even a star anise for that Instagram-worthy look. And there you have it, a homemade mulled wine that's perfect for sharing. Wherever you are and whatever you call it, mulled wine is a timeless way to celebrate the season and create warm memories. Until next time, sip slow, savor often, and cheers to a cozy, mulled wine-filled holiday season. See you next time.